Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, then I'm Shantika. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get further notifications. In today's video, I'm going to share Raksha Bandhan look. As you all know, tomorrow is the Raksha Bandhan. It's not possible for everyone to use different types of eyeshadows, wear big dramatic lashes for Raksha Bandhan. So it's better to create a simple glowy look, which I have created right now. So yeah, if you are really interested to see how I have created this look, then stay tuned till the end. You will get to know everything. So without any further ado, let's quickly hop into the video. So I have already cleaned my face by using a face wash. Here I have used this Kama with the Rose Jasmine face wash. So as you know that we have to clean our face first before doing any makeup. So yeah, I have already done that. Now let's start using some skincare routine so that our skin will look glow or before makeup, which you should do. So let's start that. So before starting the video, I want to tie my hair, otherwise it's not possible. All set now. At first you need to hydrate your skin. So for that I am using this Dabur Gulabari rose water, and just for that you need one cotton ball, and then so now I am going to use this face oil. So before makeup, if you will use face oil, so it will give the extra hydration to your face, which will create a glowy look. Instead of using a highlighter, liquid highlighter before makeup, I think this kind of face oil is good. So in this way, you have to put some drops on your face. It will take 10 minutes to absorb. 10 minutes over. Now I'm going to use this sunscreen. So this is from Plum and this is SPF 35. So you can skip this part if you are doing this makeup at night, or if you are staying at home only for this Raksha Bandhan, so you don't have to use this. Now I'm going to use this Faces Canada primer.
Shall I tell you one secret about the makeup?
See, पहले भी मुझे ये बात पता नहीं थी कि जितना आप अपनी स्किन को पैम्पर करोगे बिफोर मेकअप, उतना ही आप ग्लोई लुक पाओगे आफ्टर मेकअप. So this is the secret of any makeup look. I will not use it in all over my face. Wherever I feel that my pores are very big, means my skin is oily, over there only I'll use it. So जितना ज़्यादा skin pampering, so that much glow you will get on your face. Now my skin pampering is done. Let's apply the makeup now. Today I am going to use this Europe Girl and it gives me the matte finish, and in this foundation also the SPF will get SPF 15 is given over here. I can use this much only on all over my face. So now to set this makeup, I am going to use this compact powder from Maybelline Fit Me. This is the time to create my eyebrows. You can't see my eyebrows right now. So for that I am going to use this Etude House eyebrow pencil. Where in one side you can see the eyebrows and in another side the spoolie is here. So let me first create it and then I'll use the spoolie. For bronzer, I am going to use this My Glam face palette. Here you can see the colors. I am going to use this one. This is the bronzer. This is the blusher, and this is the highlighter. To use the bronzer, you need to pout. Now this is the time to use blusher. So for that I am using this one from Sugar Cosmetics. The name of this is Salman Superstar and shade is 04. And you can see the color. And this sugar blusher is highly pigmented. See, the little bit I have taken and you can see my cheeks. Now is the time to use highlighter. So for highlighting my face, I am going to use this from the Sugar Cosmetics, and the shade number is Metal Middle and the number is 03.
Actually, I forgot to apply the bronzer on my nose, so I'm doing it now.
My face makeup is done. Now I'm going to start my eye makeup. For eye makeup, I'll not do so many things, as I have told you before that I'll just use some minimal products to create my eye makeup. So for that, I'm going to use this palette from Makeup Revolution. And at first I'll pick up this one which is the lighter shade. So let me do it. This palette is really nice and the colors are highly pigmented, so I love this. You just have to dab your brush on it, that's all. Now I'll pick up one darker shade, that's going to be this one, which I'll put only on my outer part of lid. So here I'm using this to blend it. I'm going to use this palette. You can see here this is C2P, and from here I'll pick up one color, not any darker color. Here from here I'm going to pick this pink color. As those colors are shimmery, so if I use my brush then it will not create a great look, so I'm using my fingers to pick it. Here you can see I have taken, I'm just going to dab it here. So you can see it's done, which I have used only on the center of my eyelid. You can see now. Now I am going to use this color for my inner corner of the eyelid. Now I am going to use this eyeliner, which is from Maybelline, the Colossal Liner. From H&G. So this is the kajal I am going to use now. Going to use this mascara, which is again from Maybelline, this one. Now can you see the difference? It gives a good volume For me, this mascara is very nice. I don't know whether you can see it on camera or not, but I can see the differences. Here I want to say something. If you will apply a good mascara, then you don't have to use the big lashes, so which is good. So if you buy a good one, then you don't have to pay for that. On lips, I'm going to use this lipstick from MAC, and the color you can see. Okay, let me tell you the name. The shade number is 630. D for danger. D for danger. Okay, let me apply now. So this is the look which I have created right now, so which I think very simple. Now I am going to show you my outfit as well, so stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, then please give a like, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family members. So for today's video, that's all. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.